I'm so excited. I have something wonderful to tell you.
So tell me.
Well, I'm just gonna say it. Frank, I think I...
Oh!
Big moment? Be sure.
So how is everybody today? Jeez, you're all like a bunch of zombies this morning. Here, this'll bring you back to life.
Five-hour energy. It'll wake the dead.
So, what do you think?
She's lovely, Michael.
She sure is, Mom. How about a toast?
To your lovely girlfriend, son.
Oh, I forgot the openers.
I've got it. Oh, excuse me. Well, better at the front than the back, right?
Budweiser. What you see is always what you get.